One person has been confirmed dead and 4 injured. Authorities were still investigating the cause of the crash. Rescuers pulled an unresponsive woman from the water moments ago. TV cameras showed paramedics pushing a woman on a gurney to an emergency vehicle nearby. Rescue crews have pulled a 5th person from the water. The search in the East River is still ongoing with divers in the water. One male pilot is in stable condition. 2 adult females are in critical condition. One male stable. Searches still continue. Dozens of people gathered on the water's edge as emergency officials treated those involved in the crash.